G'day and welcome to your diver training video. I'm Bose Hancock and I'm the research scientist for the project.
And I'm Frank, the technical assistant for the project.
And we'd like to talk about the new Abalone video research project that we'll all be involved in. Topics that we'd like to cover in this training video include project overview, diver's role within the project equipment and operation, underwater filming techniques, and completing your recording sheet. At the moment, catch CDRs provide research with good commercial abalone catch and effort data. This is good information. Unfortunately, information on recruitment, growth, stock density, habitat and future catch projections is limited or not directly detectable through monitoring your commercial catches. However, in-water monitoring programs can enable researchers to gather this valuable information. The use of in-water monitoring methods, including caliper and slate technology, has been successfully tried and proven over the years. Our objective in this project is to trial video techniques for in-water monitoring of abalone. Industry video footage will be analysed with computer software to extract abalone length and density estimates for each site filmed. The project officially commenced at the beginning of 2003, and the aim is to have data collection during 2003 and 2004, with the final report due to FRDC in mid-2005. Participation by all the commercial divers is essential for the success of the project, as you will be the main data collectors. As divers, you'll contribute by trading your ab iron for a video camera to film each of your sites. The project requires each diver to choose 3 sites that will be filmed every year. Try to spread out your 3 sites across the coast. Each site must be easily identifiable so that you can return to it and film it at the same time each year. Make one site in your regular milk run, the second in a less productive area, and the third in a population of your choosing. Discrete lumps, rocks, bommies, gullies, holes or sand edges are likely targets. Sites must have a clear start and finish point, and make sure your sites contain more than 50 abalone. All abalone at the site will need to be filmed, including small juvenile abalone.
Two sets of collection equipment have been purchased for the project. Each equipment set is stored in a durable red tub lined with protective foam. Each tub contains one digital video camera located inside a clear foam padded container, an underwater housing unit and a stainless steel bar. A second container within the tub contains a battery charger, a spare battery, a Phillips screwdriver, 2 ring spanners and a spare screw set. When you intend to fish in the area of one of your sites, contact Bose or myself on 089 246 8427 so that we can organise a transfer of the video equipment to you. Courier contact information is also supplied so that divers can return the equipment to research. This is one of the Sony digital video cameras that divers will use for data collection. Video footage is captured onto 60-minute cassettes. Each video camera comes with a charger and 2 battery packs. One pack is a spare and can be found in a container in the red tub. When fully charged, each battery lasts for approximately 2 hours. Remove the battery pack by pressing the battery pack release button down and sliding the battery upwards. Install the battery pack by sliding it downwards until the click indicates that it's locked in place. Charge the battery pack by plugging in the charge cable at the back of the video camera. If you are fishing in remote locations and camping, do not use a generator to charge the video camera. Allow 2 to 3 hours a night before you use the video camera to fully charge the battery pack. Open the bottom of the video camera by sliding across the open eject button and pull open the lid. Slide the cassette down inside the video camera with the smooth side facing outwards. Close the compartment by pushing it sideways. At this point, the cassette compartment will lower itself into the video camera automatically. Do not push the cassette compartment down into the camera. This is very important. Now you can close the lid. The video camera has 3 operational settings on the power switch that are important to the diver. The VCR position for playing back footage, the off position, and the camera position for filming. Push the small green button in and swivel the power switch to the camera position. The video camera is now on standby and ready to record. You can see the standby command through the viewfinder. Press the record button to start filming. You will hear a beep and see the recording command rec through the viewfinder. Press the record button to stop filming. You will hear 2 beeps and see the standby command through the viewfinder. To see how much tape you have left in minutes, look into the viewfinder at the top of the display. To play back footage, swivel the power switch to the VCR position and open the LCD screen by pressing in the open button. Use the playback commands to play back footage. These commands are very similar to the VCR commands found on your home video recorder. Push the small green button in and swivel the power switch to the off position. The video camera is now off. 2 final points about the video camera. The zoom switch has been locked so that it does not interfere with the abalone measurements, and the video camera is not waterproof. This is a waterproof underwater housing that holds the video camera. Each underwater housing comes with a stainless steel bar and attachment screws. The bar is used to fix the distance between the video camera lens and each abalone filmed. Attach the bar to the housing using the 2 sets of screws and ring spanners provided. These items can be found within the container in the red tub. A spare set of screws can also be found within the same container in the red tub. Open the housing and place the video camera inside the housing on the housing plate. Attach the camera to the base plate using the screw and Phillips screwdriver provided. Do not fully tighten the screw at this point. The screw and several spares can be found in the red tub. Check that the video camera is sitting straight inside the housing and tighten the screw. Remember to swivel the power switch to the camera position before closing the housing. The video camera is now on standby and ready to record. Check that the O-ring is in place, close the housing and lock the 3 clips in place. Check to see that the control arm on the housing is free to swing against the record button to turn the camera on and off. The video camera will turn itself to sleep mode after 5 minutes. To wake it up to standby mode, press the record button twice. Occasionally, the image will appear blurry when the video camera focuses upon scratches or bubbles on the housing lens. If this occurs underwater, slowly move your hand around in front of the lens until you overcome the problem. Let's summarise the correct procedures for preparing the video equipment prior to vessel launch. Fully charge the battery pack the night before you dive. Insert the mini DV cassette and make sure it is rewound to the start of the tape or to the end of the last section of your footage. Allow a minimum of 30 minutes footage for each site. Screw the video camera into the underwater housing and turn the switch to the camera position. The safest place for the video camera on board is in the housing, packed in the red tub. This means taking the bar off until you're ready to film your site. Try to keep the tub dry.